Hi traders. In this video, I'm going to show you the AutoBE Second Edition, a MetaTrader 4 utility that manages your trade exits automatically. It sets stop-loss levels, protects profits with break-even adjustments, and can even close part of your position automatically. Whether you trade manually or with EAs, this tool helps you keep your trades organized and your profits secure. The first key feature is automatic stop loss and take profit. When you open a trade, AutoBE Second Edition can set your stop loss and take profit levels automatically if you haven't already defined them. These levels are fully adjustable in the input settings, so you can customize them to fit your trading strategy. This ensures your trades are managed consistently and your risk is controlled right from the start. Now let's see it in action. I'm opening a trade on this chart, and as you can see, the stop loss and take profit levels are set automatically. Everything happens instantly, so you don't have to worry about missing a proper exit or setting stops manually. The next feature is partial close. This allows the utility to automatically close a portion of your trade when the price reaches a certain percentage of your take profit. You can set both the trigger level and the percentage of lots to close in the input settings. This way, you can lock in some profits while letting the remaining position continue toward your target, all automatically. Partial close uses two main settings. The first is the percentage of take profit distance required to trigger the partial close. This defines how far price must move toward your target before the feature activates. The second is the percentage of lots to close when triggered, which controls how much of the position is closed automatically. Together, these settings let you secure partial profits while keeping the rest of the trade running. Now let's see partial close in action. As the price moves toward the take profit, you can see that a portion of the position is automatically closed once it hits the trigger level. The remaining trade continues toward the target, letting you lock in profits without lifting a finger. Another powerful feature is break-even. Once your trade reaches a certain profit level, AutoBE Second Edition can automatically move your stop loss to your entry price plus a small offset. This protects your trade from turning into a loss while still allowing it to continue toward your take profit. You can enable or disable this feature and set the activation level and offset in the input settings. The break-even feature uses two key settings: break-even activation pips and break-even offset pips. Break-even activation pips is the number of pips your trade must be in profit before the stop moves to break-even. Break-even offset pips is the extra number of pips added above break-even to give your trade some room to breathe. Together, these settings let you secure profits while avoiding being stopped out too early. Now let's see the break-even feature in action. As the trade moves into profit and reaches the break-even activation pips level, you can see the stop loss automatically moves to the entry price plus the break-even offset pips. This secures your trade, preventing a loss while still allowing the remaining position to reach the take profit. The next feature is the information panel. This panel displays useful market data directly on the chart, including the current spread, the average daily range, the current day's range, and the percentage of the average range already covered. This gives you a quick visual overview of market volatility without needing to check separate indicators. Let's quickly break down what each of these values means. Spread shows the current difference between the buy and sell price. Average daily range shows the average number of pips the market moves per day based on historical data. Current day's range shows how many pips price has already moved today, from high to low, and the percentage of the average range covered shows how much of today's movement has already been completed compared to the normal daily range. That's Auto BE 2nd edition, fully automated trade management made simple. Thanks for watching.